Hey there, it's Emily from Teapotter Instructional Design, and I'm back with another quick tutorial that will help you ensure that your Canva fonts are compatible with Adobe Acrobat Pro. Have you ever gone through the entire process of designing a PDF and then getting to the very end and needing to make just one or two edits in Adobe only to find out that your font isn't compatible? If you have, you know how super frustrating that can be. Let's take a look at this quick and easy step that you can take to avoid the hassle of incompatible fonts. So before you begin your design in Canva, while you're selecting one of their hundreds of fonts, you just want to head over to fonts.adobe.com. Simply search the name of the font that you liked in Canva and see if it's compatible with Adobe. If it is, just go over here to Activate Font and you should be all set. Thank you so much for watching. If this has helped you, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit us at teapotterdesign.com for more.